Think AI is complicated? I'm about to change your mind. Here are 5 insanely powerful AI tools anyone can use, even total beginners, and most of them are free. Welcome to TechFlow Studio, your place for simple tutorials, powerful AI tools, and easy tech hacks. If you love tech made simple, hit subscribe. First up is ChatGPT, your 24/7 digital assistant. Write emails, fix your resume, generate ideas, create YouTube scripts, or learn anything faster. Next is Canva, perfect for thumbnails, posters, TikTok videos, and social posts. Just type a prompt, pick a style, and Canva creates the design for you. No Photoshop needed. If you want clean, natural voiceovers, 11 Labs gives you studio-quality AI voices that sound incredibly real. Runway lets you create cinematic B-roll, remove backgrounds, or turn text into video. Perfect for YouTube, Reels, and Shorts. This tool fixes photos instantly. Remove people, logos, or objects with just one brush stroke. Super useful for thumbnails and social media content. If you found even one useful tool, smash the like button. Comment below which AI tool you want a full tutorial on next. This is TechFlow Studio, where tech becomes simple.